Hi, welcome to this video on Excel covering sorting data. This video was recorded in November 2020 using Excel 365. Other versions may look different. So we've got a data table on screen with a lot of invoice data. Right now it is in invoice date order, but maybe I want to change the order of it and look at it in a different way. In the home ribbon, we have this sort and filter drop down where we can sort oldest to newest, newest to oldest, and we've got a custom sort option. But really the best way to get started is to go to the data ribbon. And in the data ribbon, we've got a little area here where there's easy access buttons. So maybe I want to do it, reorder in customer name orders. If I click on my A to Z, it'll reorder by customer. If I click on Z to A, it'll do it the other way around. Excel automatically works out or tries to work out what the header row is, so it doesn't actually involve the header in the sorting, and it's got it right in this case. Sometimes it doesn't get it right. You can order by date, you can order by amount. It's nice and simple. But what if you actually wanted to order by customer, then by amount, or by paid, or another column? So if we select if you select the sort button, it brings up this little window here, and it highlights our data set, or what it thinks is the data set. And generally, it's pretty accurate, so it's got our data set bang on there. We've got, if we look in this drop down here, it knows that we have a header row, or it assumes we've got a header row. We can tell it that it's wrong. So if we untick this button here, then it thinks, all right, I haven't got a header row, but you can order by column letter, and I will include row 2 within the sort. But as it turns out, Excel was correct in this case, so let's tick that button again. So I want to order by customer, and then I also want to order by whether it's paid or not. So if I click on add level, it can insert another option here. So we'll say paid. So sort by customer, then sort by paid. If we click OK, it now sorts by customer, and then it sorts by the paid column. Let's click on that button again. I want a third level. I want to know if things are paid. I want you to order by the outstanding amount. So if we click on add, because I had customer highlighted, when I clicked add, it's added an option within the two existing options. If I just choose the amount, but I want it to do customer first, then paid or not paid, then by the amount. So I want to move that down. So I've got these options here to move up and down. I'll move that to the bottom. So it's going to sort by customer, then it's going to sort by whether it's paid, then it's going to sort by the amount. If I click OK on that. So it's made that distinction now, but actually what I want to do is I want it to show yes, paid first, then no, then the amount. So if we go back to our option again, our paid column is currently ordered by A to Z. If I change that to be Z to A, then it says, okay, there's your customers. This is whether they've got paid or not paid, and this is the outstanding amounts. And the final thing I can do is actually show the largest to smallest as well. That's the end of this video. I hope you found it helpful.